Welcome guys. With this strategy, you will trade like a robot. With this strategy I'm about to reveal to you, you will trade like a robot. Now you need only one indicator to make it massive. Now you don't need, in forex trading, you don't need a lot of strategies for you to be successful. Only one indicator is enough for you to make it massive trading forex. You don't need tens of strategies, 20, 30, 40 strategies. No, only a single strategy is enough for you to do what? Make consistent profits. What is required of you is mastering of that particular strategy. Mastering of what? That particular strategy. If you can master the strategy, just one single strategy is enough for you to make it massive in trading forex. Only one strategy is enough. If you can master the strategy and be consistent in making use of it, consistent in making use of it. Not that you test a strategy today, tomorrow you jump to another strategy, next you jump to another. No. If you are doing like that, in a year you will not be settled with any particular strategy, because when you test this one, you won't test it long, you jump to another one, you won't test that one long, you jump to another one. That is how you keep on testing strategies. Now, the best advice I will give you is to go through strategies, go through several strategies. Pick one that is more profitable to you. One strategy that you think that is more profitable to you. You can test about 5 strategies, streamline it down to 3. The best 3 out of the 5, streamline it down further to 2 best strategies. Now that 2, streamline it again to particular one. Choose a particular strategy you can be using on a particular pair. One strategy, one pair, one setup. Do you understand? One trading tactics will help you. When you are consistent with this, when you are consistent with one strategy, one pair, one setup, you will see yourself making consistent profits. Now, one of the mistakes that people do, or most of traders do, is switching from one strategy to another, switching from one time frame to another. No, with such you will not be consistent in what you are doing. But if you are consistent with one strategy, one setup, one pair, in a long run, you will see yourself making improvements in your trading life. Do you understand? So in this video, let me show you a particular strategy that will help you trade like a robot. Now here you need only one indicator. You need what? Only one indicator to make it massive. This is volatility 100 instance, and the time frame is 1 hour time frame. Do you understand? Now you need what? Only one indicator. Only one indicator you need to make it massive here. You need what? Only one indicator. Now let me show you. This is what the indicator. This is what the indicator, Williams percentage range indicator. With this particular indicator, you can trade and make massive profit. You can trade like a robot and make massive profits. Only one indicator you need to make it in forex trading. You don't need tens of strategies. You don't need tens of strategies. So one strategy is enough for you to do to make it massive in forex trading. Now this is what the settings. This is what the settings for this particular indicator. Here is the period 200, the style, choose color of your choice. Now Here is the level. Here is the level. You click on the level. So here you put what? Fifth. You put what? Fifth. Here is the 50. You don't understand? So once you are done, this is all you need to do what? To trade this particular pair and make massive profits. Do you understand? So now this is how to apply this particular strategy. Now this particular strategy, what I want you to do is to stick with one particular strategy. If you want to succeed in forex, you need consistency. You need what? Consistency on a particular strategy. Don't be switching over strategies. Today you are on this strategy, tomorrow you are on another strategy. No. With such, you can never improve. You can do what? You can never improve. But once you pick a strategy that you think that is more profitable to you, work with it months, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. Now check your record and see how you are progressing. Do you understand? That is the best advice I can give you as a trader. So now this is how the strategy work. Look at this. Look at how the strategy work. Look at this crossing here. You see this crossing here. This is down crossing. So this is what? A perfect sell signal. This is what? A perfect sell signal. So you sell when it crosses. When the crossing occur, you do what? You sell. Look at it here. The crossing occur from up downward. This is where you make your entry. The crossing occur from what? Up downward. So this is what? A clear sell signal. So you enter your sell here, and this is what? The profit. This all of these are what? Profits. Are you seeing it? Now see another crossing here. See another crossing here. So in this particular, it is good you trail your stop loss. It is what? Good you trail your stop loss. Do you understand? So this is another crossing here. Make your entry here, and this is what? Profit for you. As easy as that. You don't need tens of strategy to succeed. One strategy is enough. One strategy is what? Enough for you to make it massive trading forex. One strategy is enough. Look at the crossing. Look at this crossing. So you make your entry there. Are you seeing it? You make your entry. Now one thing with this strategy is that it will give you rest of mind. It will give you what? Rest of mind. You make your entry there. Are you seeing it? And this is what? Huge profit. This is what? Huge profit. You see it? You make it now. Let me show you something. Let me mark out this particular area. Look at the way we make our entry. Are you seeing it? Now let me shrink this chart. Let me shrink it. Are you seeing it? Look at this. You see? A lot of this is profits. Look at a lot of this. This is what? A huge profit. Are you seeing it? This is a huge profit. A huge what? A huge profit. Look at it. From this entry, are you seeing it? This is what? A huge profit. So guys, you don't need a lot of strategies to make it massive trading forex. Only a strategy is enough. Pick a strategy that you think is more profitable to you. Work with that strategy over and over and check your trading history. Do you understand? Don't forget, this is OPTIMER FS, where profitable strategies are being shared. Do you understand? So make use of this strategy and enjoy a profitable trade. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video so that others will benefit. Thank you.